So, hi guys, in this video I will be just talking, and because that would be too boring, I will show you some cameras. Yeah, because now I have 900 subscribers on YouTube. That means that I can monetize my channel. I need 100 followers more to put ads on my videos, which will be nice because there's no extra work for you, but you can become a channel member right now and give me like super likes and super thanks in the comments, and I will look that I will put out a normal video every week and 1 week just for the channel members. The videos for the channel members mostly will be when I go to the flea market, because I think that's something that you just want to see when you're like really interested in me and not just in the cameras. So I think it's 4 euros for tier 1 and 8 euros tier 2. I wanted to lower the prices, but I don't know how it works, I'm honest. So there's no big difference. But if you want to, it was always my dream to become a YouTube partner since I was like 12, 14 years old. And it's not for me about that I earn money with it. It's just that it was my dream to have a YouTube channel and to monetize it, not because of the money, just because of the milestone. Look at this camera. I hope I can get it to work. It's working, but like on auto mode with the battery and stuff. So that's something important for me. And yeah, I will look to make my channel bigger and even gain like maybe 10,000 followers at some day, and maybe to have like a little side business. It's a business for me right now because I sell most of the cameras. So but maybe to get like a few $100 each month extra, so I can. It's my dream. It's my dream, you know. That's it. I just wanted to inform you. It would be nice if someone from you becomes a channel member. I have 900 people here, so yeah. But you don't have to. Maybe I will put the normal videos out extra, so everybody sees every content, and you become a channel member just to support me. Maybe something. I don't know. I will try to make as much videos as possible. The Canon AE1, I have a black Canon AE1 here that is almost finished. After that we will do this beauty here. Maybe we will do some custom lettering here too. Can we remove the leatherette here? Yeah, maybe some brown here again. So yeah, that's it. I'm stopping to talk. I will stop talking. Just found some screws here. Don't know where they come from. Scheiße. So yeah, next time, next video. Bye guys.